guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how we renovated our entire kitchen from top to bottom. I am sharing all the details. I am here showing you when we first bought the house. This was our kitchen, you guys. This was our breakfast nook. If you have me on Instagram, you know that this looks nothing like what the kitchen looks like now. We had awful backsplash. Just look at that. We changed the countertops, the faucet, the sink, the backsplash, the lighting in here, basically everything, and I'm gonna show you guys all of it. I also want to show you that this kitchen was in really good condition though. Like the cabinets were pretty new. I just don't like the color of them. I want to make it more my style, so that's what we're gonna be working on today. But I wanted to show you, we also got this dishwasher, the kitchen, and our microwave were like brand new. The seller left them brand new, so that was really good for me. I was so happy about that. We went on the hunt for my dream countertop. I was so afraid I wasn't gonna find it, but we found it, you guys, and I was so happy when we did, because this is exactly what I had in mind. Like, I was very aware of what I wanted. It wasn't like a doubt in my mind. So when I found it, I was super happy, and then we were able to just get the people to come in and install it, and that was like the biggest expense, but the one that made the biggest difference. We chose our paint color, and let me just say that not all white is white. We chose our sink and also our faucet, and our faucet is one of my favorite things in the kitchen to this day. I'm so in love with it. It made such a huge impact in our kitchen. And we also got the guys to come out and install our brand new countertops, which made also the biggest difference. And then we'll move on to getting rid of that awful backsplash and get rid of those tiny little lights on top of the island, replacing with something more substantial. Alright, and this is what our kitchen is currently looking like. It has my brand new faucet and sink and backsplash and countertop, but there's still the color that I'm not liking, and I want to change it. So I'm gonna be painting our cabinets today with you guys, just to give you some inspiration or some motivation if you're wanting to do the same. I'm going to be sharing everything that I'm going to be using to paint our cabinets, and spoiler alert, they come out looking so good. So stay tuned until the end of the video so you can see the final result, because it is completely different from what you're seeing right now. We took the cabinet doors off so that way I don't get any paint on the cabinets. The doors are laying on the floor right now. I'm actually gonna paint them on the floor so I don't get any paint on the hinges. Okay, so these are the supplies, and I'm gonna go through it. So just get regular paint brushes. Of course, you will need a screwdriver because you're gonna be getting the hinges of the cabinets. You want to do this, you want to remove the door, because if you don't remove the door, then you might get some of the paint on the hinges and stuff like that, and it's just not gonna look as professional or as nice, and it's gonna be a lot easier for you too. So just take the time to get the doors off, and it will really just make a difference. I also got this roller for cabinets and doors, wood filler. Now if you have like newer cabinets, maybe you don't need a wood filler, but for mine, they have a lot of scratches, and as you guys can see, apparently they used to like play with the toys and like hit the doors, I don't know, or maybe a dog, I don't know, but they're like scratches on the cabinet. So I'm gonna have to fill all those holes and just fill any holes that I see. Since I'm using a wood filler, I'm also gonna be using a filer just to file whatever the excess is. And then this is little tripods that you can use to hold the furniture, and it's just a lot easier to paint. And then a few of these were $1 to just put the paint in there. Now the most important thing, you guys, and this is what I'm gonna recommend, because I already used this type of paint in our powder room. I painted the cabinets over there, and they look so nice, and the finish is so smooth and everything, but it wasn't my skills or the brushes. it was the paint, you guys. This paint is amazing, but you do have to get this paint. So make sure it's this one, cabinet and furniture, fade, scratch and scuff resistant, no sanding or priming needed. So you don't even need to sand or prime your cabinets or anything like that. You can do it if you want to. I'm not gonna do it. I'm doing ultra white. So it comes in the ultra white, and you can also get it in like a color that they have to mix. So if you're doing color, then they have to prepare the color for you. I'm just gonna use the ultra white, just like my walls. It's in the semi-gloss finish. At my last house, I remember I painted my cabinets with like an oil-based paint, and they were also white. And with time, they just got this like yellowish tint, and the finish wasn't as nice. I promise you guys, this paint is where it's at. For the cabinet doors, make sure that you label them somehow. What I did is just put the numbers in here, like inside of there. I just wrote whatever number the door was, so that way I know, because if I put a piece of paper on there or something, Caleb could tear it off. This part is very important, so make sure that you somehow label your doors and make sure that you know exactly what door goes where.
You got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face.
I am doing this, and I hope that you guys get some inspiration and motivation if you have been wanting to do this to your cabinets. If I can do it, you guys can do it. I'm nothing special, and I don't even know what I'm doing, so wish me luck. I'm making all the mistakes that I don't want you guys to make, so I will be warning you in the process.
Now, just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only.
Alright, I just started and I'm already making my first mistake. Mistake number one was using the brush on the sides. So you want to use your brush on the trim work and the smaller areas, but on the bigger areas like the sides, you want to use your roller. It will give you much better coverage and the finish will be a lot nicer. I had to learn this the hard way. I probably did 2-3 coats with the brush and then realized it was so much easier and so much faster with the roller.
Down your face, I know you're strong. Won't feel this way for long, no. If you wanna go out, we can go out.
So it's a good idea to tape off your walls before you start painting, but since I'm using the same color that's on my walls on my cabinets, I don't have to tape it off. But a reminder for you guys, if you're painting a different color, make sure that you use tape on the walls and on your backsplash. I'm not gonna lie to you guys or make it seem like it was easy, because it was not at all. It was actually a lot harder than I thought it was going to be, even though I knew it was going to be a little challenging for me. But it did take forever, you guys. I know you're seeing it on here fast forward, but it took about 3 months for me to get them completely done all by myself. And just know that if you're going into this, it's gonna take a lot of work. It's just give yourself some grace and just take your time with it. Be patient. It's all about patience with this. It's just one of those things you can't rush. And just know that you can do it. You can do anything that you put your mind to. You will do it, and it will be so worth it no matter how much work it's going to take. And I think I did about 5 coats total. So that's a lot of coats, and that's why it took me forever to get them done.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back.
So the first coat is now done on top. I still need to do the bottom. I'm gonna do the bottom later, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the second coat on the top and then a third coat, and then I'm gonna move on to the bottom cabinets because I feel like these are gonna be a lot more work. As you guys can see, it looks very blotchy and not that good, but it's only the first coat, so I am hoping that the second coat will make it look a lot better.
Move on, move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind.
I'm going to share with you guys a hack that I learned not long ago. So when you're done with your brush, instead of washing it, just put it in a little baggie like this. Put it inside and then kind of close it. You don't have to close it all the way, just as much as you can. And then put it inside your refrigerator and it will keep it soft, and then you're ready to use it for the
You
next
stopped
day.
loving me. How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me
Alright, so we're taking a break from painting and I'm taking you guys over to Caleb's bathroom. This is one of the things.
Mommy, it's my Caleb's bathroom.
It's your bathroom, yes. One of the things that I loved about this house was the fact that he was gonna have his own bathroom, and I loved that about it. I love this wood right here, and I'm actually still in the process of decorating it. I want to paint this little well white and just get some more artwork on here and decorations. So far this is what it's looking like right now, but we're going to be working on an update right now and I'm gonna share it with you, and then on another video we're gonna go to the stores, buy some more decorations and decorate it together. But for today, let's work on this little project. Is going to be changing this light fixture above his mirror. There's really nothing wrong with this one, it's just a little small and it has like plastic little diamonds and it's just not the best quality. So I wanted to get him something that was a little bit better quality, something that could grow with him and just evolve with him. So I got a new lamp from Jita Home. Jita Home is an awesome company that you guys can find on Amazon. They have everything from furniture to light fixtures. I love all of their products, you guys, and they're giving you 20% off on this lamp. So if you're interested, take advantage of it while you can. I know it's not going to be for a long time, so check the description box below if you like this lamp and buy it at 20% off. Okay, I love the glass on this lamp, you guys. That's what sold me on it. And I want to go with an ocean theme in his bathroom. The little bubbles remind me of water, and it's just so much bigger and just better quality than the other one. And here's the final result. I love it so much. Some of the paint is showing through since the last light was oval and this one is a square, so I'm gonna have to repaint that, but I love all the details on it. It is a lot larger than the other one. And it's just a little bit more elegant, sophisticated, and it's gonna grow with him. So as he grows and the style of the bathroom changes, you know, this light will always accommodate any style, and it's just a little bit more grown up and a little bit more just elegant and timeless. We're putting the new hardware on the doors and they look so good. Just look at the difference. And now we also use soft close hinges. So now when you close the door, just look at that, how soft they close. They don't make any noise. So that was like the quickest and easiest update that we could do to the kitchen. It is also very inexpensive compared to other updates that you can do. Alright, the top cabinets are done. I cannot believe it. I'm still working on those two right there that I'm finishing right now, but they're mainly done. And now I can move on to the bottom cabinets. Okay, so here's that wood filler that I was telling you guys about. This is what I'm gonna be using to fill all of these little dents in the wood. As you guys can see, it's in pretty bad shape. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and just put it in there. I'm not a professional, so I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just touching and going over the dents a few times until I feel like it's less sunken in and it feels a little bit more filled in than it was before. Wait a few hours, and then once it's completely dry, go over it with the filer so that way it can be level with the rest of the wood, and then it will look like nothing ever happened. Your wood would just look so much newer and it will be prepped for painting.
Counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster, hurry, make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Alright guys, all the hard work is done and now we can enjoy our brand new kitchen. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with how it came out. I still can't believe it's my kitchen. Let me know in the comments below if you guys liked it. If you liked today's video, as always, Caleb is down here messing with me. But let me know if you guys liked today's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me show you my dream kitchen now.